Now then, what a beautiful sunny afternoon. Isn't it gorgeous? End of, well, middle of February, and things are improving. Anyway, the Fixothon continues, and my CRV Honda, the driver's side washer jets are blocked up. So we're just going to fix them. And in the manual it says nothing about this, but actually it's relatively simple. So for those people who are having trouble, here you go, this is specially for you. Now then, windscreen washers on a Mark II Honda CRV. Pop the bonnet, right, let's zoom in so you can gain access to them. There they are. Focus. There they are. Now then, unlike some cars, this is relatively easy to do. On that Mark II Frontera, it was a right pain. Right, we're in shot. So all you do, now you've got to be real gentle. There we go. You know, maybe even a slightly thinner screwdriver than that might be a benefit. Now, the next thing to do, of course, is to remove the pipe without poking a hole in it. And you know, these pipes are 17 years old, so a little bit of due care and attention will save you a lot of grief. There we go. So that is the unit. Now then, I know this one's blocked, and what I propose to do is a fine piece of wire down each one and then try and wash it out with some water or some air or something like that. Let me just get my best glasses on. So we got this fine bit of fuse wire, and it's just a matter of, or maybe even just get a needle. A needle might be a better idea actually. And just poke that down there. Okay, so it's sort of getting there. I'll just go and get the air line and just blow those out. So I blew down there. I actually put some water down there, swished it around, blew down there, and then got a fatter bit of wire just to poke down in there like that. Yeah, just gently. And it did come out with some bits of muck on the end of it. So those are the bits of muck that blew, that we pushed down that way into the base here. And although I blew with an airline through there, quite a bit of pressure, there was still a bit of muck, bits of muck that were left in there. Okay, so there we go. Now we'll put it together, but first of all, what we'll do is we'll wash that pipe out. That's just to make sure there's no residual muck in the pipe. Okay, so they're not difficult, but you want a thinnish screwdriver or thin blade just to pop that out gently. So there you go, that's a quick demo. Don't need any more than that, just use your initiative. Cheers for now.